In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your ideal day using blocks. This approach can really help you make the most out of your time, stay organized, and ensure that you're focusing on the tasks that are truly important to you. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to your connected workspace where you handle your wiki, documents, and various projects. Today, we're using Notion for this process. Notion is a fantastic tool because of its versatility and user-friendly interface. If you're not already signed in, the next step is to log in. Simply click on the Login button and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Notion home. This is your starting point for all the actions you'll take today, providing a broad overview of all your current projects and documents. Now, let's create a new page. This new workspace will serve as the canvas for organizing your day. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the option to Create a New Page. Click on that. After you've created your new page, it's time to organize it efficiently. For this, we're going to create a database, a powerful feature of Notion that allows you to keep track of various tasks and projects in a more visual, structured manner. Click on Create a Database, and let's start building from there. With your database open, click on Add Property. This function allows you to include all sorts of customizable fields in your database, such as a checkbox for task completion, priority levels, or deadlines. Essentially, you can tailor it to what makes the most sense for your daily schedule. Then, it's time to add the core of your plan, the daily schedule. This will likely include your essential tasks, along with any meetings or appointments. Under Daily Schedule, start entering tasks or events you have planned for the day. Think of it as your blueprint for the day, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. To visualize your day even better, add a timeline view to your database. This feature allows you to see how your tasks are spread throughout the day. Click on Add Timeline View, and you'll immediately notice how it provides a perspective on your day that's both structured and easy to interpret. It brings clarity, showing you when you're free or have overlapping commitments. There you have it. An effective method for planning each day using blocks in Notion. With this setup, you can enhance productivity and make more informed decisions on how to allocate your time. Once everything is set, remember to revisit your schedule regularly to make necessary adjustments as things come up. Thanks for spending your time with me, and I hope this approach transforms the way you plan your days. Happy scheduling!